Welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJ and Collectibles, your home for little cars, big passion. Okay, today we're going to go back to featuring 1/64 scale models. So come join me as we unbox and take a closer look at this 2014 Toyota Land Cruiser LC79 Graphite Gray by PARA64. Okay, as I've said, this is the 2014 Toyota Land Cruiser LC79. Okay, this one is in graphite gray, made by PARA64. So first off, we have to look at the box. Okay, as always, PARA64 models come in windowed box. Okay, quite well see what's inside right away. So no chase models here. Okay, as always, says here Toyota official licensed product, some barcodes. Okay, this was released in 2023. Okay, got this a couple of years ago. Okay, so let's get on to it. As I've said, model sits inside a windowed box. Okay, and in the windowed box, as always, PARA64 has this Circuit de Catalunya here. I really don't know why. And also comes with an illustration of a Land Cruiser of this model. Okay, this one has some barrels at the back, and I think I do have some barrels. Okay, I'm going to recreate that one. Okay, so getting on to the model itself. Okay, it sits on a plastic base on an acrylic cover, clear acrylic cover. Very good. Okay, before I open this one up, let me also show you another model from PARA64. Okay, same model with a different color variant. This one, okay, this is the Red Cross. Okay, ICRC. Okay, International Committee Red Cross. Okay, I'm going to unbox this soon, so watch out for it. First, I'm going to do this one. Okay, while we slowly remove the model itself, okay, I'd like to invite you to check out one of the channels in YouTube and also in Facebook. Okay, here's a short video of a friend of mine. His name is Local RC. Aycocho. Okay, a wonderful artist here in the Philippines. Okay, here's his video. He creates wonderful little cars. Okay, little RC cars. Okay, so here's his video of a scratch built Philippine jeepney. Okay, so do check it out while I slowly remove this model. Okay, now that we have removed the model, okay, before we get into that, okay, usual PARA64, okay, Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series, okay, model secured on a plastic base with a lone screw. Okay, very good. Set this one aside. Clear cover, acrylic plastic cover. Okay, so here's the model itself, and before we go into that, okay, let me share with you another similar Land Cruiser 70 series pickup model. Okay, this one is from Tomica. Okay, this one is 1/64. Okay, from Paragon models. This one Tomica is okay. came in 171 scale. So we'll check this one out for you for size comparison. Okay, this one came out in 2015, so you already know how old this model is. Okay, it's nearly a decade old. Okay, I had this in the garage for quite some time already. Okay, so here it is. This is the Tomica. Okay, number 103 Tomica Land Cruiser. Okay, very well made by Tomica. And as always, since this is a regular box, okay, come with this tiny, okay, plastic wheels. Okay, but details are good. Okay, so let us compare the 171 scale and the 164 scale model. Okay, there you have it. On your left is the Tomica, and on your right is the PARA64 Land Cruiser. Okay, there. The back, okay, very good, as you can see. Okay, and this Tomica model do come with opening doors. Okay, there you have it, so you can see what's inside. Okay, nothing much, but very good details. Okay, very good details on this one. Okay, very good Tomica. Okay, so put that one aside. Okay, here we go. This graphite gray Land Cruiser 79 or LC79. Okay, pickup version, PARA64. Okay, full die-cast body. Okay, with plastic base. And the tires, okay, started off, tires are rubber threaded ones. Okay, all 4 of them, including the spare tire at the back. Okay. And the wheels, the wheel design, okay, these are steelies. Okay, these are steel rims or steel wheels. Okay, very good ones. Okay, good details on that one also, even though those are steelies. Okay, setting up on the sides. Okay, as you can see, very good details on this one. Okay, very good paint job, the graphite gray. Okay, very good details. Door pan, okay, panel lines, okay, are not too deep, not too shallow, so very good ones. Okay, door handles, part of the mold, painted silver. Okay, very good. Windows are clear. Okay, very well see what's inside. Okay, this model is right-hand drive, or sorry, rather left-hand drive. Okay, very good one. Okay, side mirrors are plastic. Okay, with some reflective stickers on it. Very good one. Okay, window trims, there aren't any, but details are there. Very good. Okay, and also it has a Toyota Land Cruiser Tampo. Yeah. Okay, very good. Okay, wheel arches are well defined. No fender flares on this one. Very good details. Okay, both on the front and on the rear. Okay, moving on to the front. Okay, model has, okay, clear plastic inserts for its headlights. Okay, no details on them, just clear ones. Okay, front grille, it's a Toyota logo. Okay, in front, good details. The front grille, painted silver. Okay, and on the bumper, okay, bumper is plastic. Okay, it's also got some details on it. Get the fog lamps and the grills. Okay, the bumper grills, okay, are there. Very good ones. Okay, moving on to the hood. Okay, very good paint finish on this one. Okay, as you can see, has some like pearl paint on it. Okay, graphite gray. Okay, details on the hood are very good. Moving on to the windshield. Okay, windshield has some details on them also. Has some wipers. Okay. And you can see, on the other side, there's a plastic spoiler. Okay, you could very well say that this one is a period correct spoiler. Okay, very good. And also, moving on to the roof. Okay, good details on this one, as you can see. Roof details, okay, very good. Okay, part of the mold. Okay, moving on to the back. Okay, since this is a pickup model, okay, has a tail bed. Okay, the bed itself has some details on them. Okay, these are some cable hooks. Okay, old school cable hooks. Okay, even though this is a 2014 model, okay, very good. Since Toyota is going back to its roots, okay, old school, if I say so. Okay, and tail bed, as I mentioned, has a spare tire on it. Okay. With same details on the wheels. Okay, rubber threaded ones also. Okay, and what's so striking are the good details on the bed, rear bed. Okay, very good ones. Okay, tailgate cannot be opened, but it's okay. Roll bars. Okay, the back made out of metal, part of the mold, if I do. Okay, it's part of the mold. Very good details, you can see. Okay, very good ones. Okay, moving on to the tailgate. Okay, tailgate has some details on them also. Okay, old school tailgate. Okay, similar to the Toyota pickups in the 80s, early 90s. Okay. Well, my LN106, okay, my daily drive do come with this tailgate levers. Okay, very good ones. Okay, and also tailgate has some Toyota markings. Okay, has LX, V6, and also four-wheel drive there. Okay, for taillights, okay, very good ones. Plastic inserts with some colors on them. Okay, there you have it. Okay, very good, colored red and amber. And the bumper, okay, painted silver. Okay, very good details on them also. Very nice. Okay, so as I've said, windows are clear, plastic. Okay, very well see what's inside. Okay, good details on them on the inside. Okay, even though it's all colored black. Okay, could be better with painted in a different color, but nonetheless, okay, there's some details on them. Steering wheel and the dashboard and the gear shift levers. Okay, I don't know, it's clear. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, very well made. Okay, moving on. Chassis. Okay, plastic base. Okay, for this model. Okay. Plastic base secured by 2 screws. Okay, so you could customize this. You might want to do a wheel swap on this. Okay, okay, it says 1/64 scale. Okay, made in China. It's Toyota Land Cruiser PARA64. Okay, good details on them. Okay, lift springs. Okay, both front and rear. Okay, and solid axles. Okay, and some details on the propeller shaft as well. Okay, and the transfer case. Okay, propeller shafts, solid axles. Okay, and a transfer shaft. Okay, and an exhaust system. Okay, exhaust system is 50/50. Okay, this one is colored black, while this one going to the muffler tip. It's painted silver. Very good one. Okay, very good model. Okay, really like this one. Okay, so that's it for now. This is the 2014 Toyota Land Cruiser LC79 in graphite gray. Okay, this one is nice. So I'm going to leave this on the turntable for everyone to see. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
Little car.